Welcome to the explosion shield simulation. In this simulation, you will design an explosion shield, choosing from various materials and shield shapes to determine what combination of materials and design offers a person the most protection in a blast. To begin the simulation, click on the Sim tab. Click on the Design button to go to the Design Center. In the Design Center, you will be able to choose a material type and a shape. Begin by clicking on the right arrow in the box labeled Material Type. Choose one of the 9 materials. Now move over to the Shape box and click on the right arrow. Choose one of the 6 shapes. In this example, I will choose carbon fiber for the material and the rectangular flat shape. Once you have chosen your design, go to the Test Center by clicking on the Test button. Here you will see a test dummy standing behind an explosion shield that you have just designed. By clicking on the red trigger in the test dummy's hand, you will set off the bomb, causing an explosion. Once the bomb explodes, you can evaluate how severe the damages are by clicking on the Analysis button. In the Analysis Center, you are given a close-up view of the test dummy. Moving the cursor over the yellow and black icons reveals the place of the injury and the damage stats. As I move the cursor over the icons on the legs, the damage stats indicate that for this particular design, there is a sprain on the left leg and a contusion on the right leg, as well as damage to the stomach, both arms, and the head. Once you have finished making your observations, or at any time during the simulation, you can click on the Design button to return to the Design Center. Continue testing this way, experimenting with different materials and different shapes. What material and shield shape gives you the most protection from an explosion?